Hi guys, it's Miss Kate again. Welcome back to the garden class. This week we're going to talk about the creepy, crawly things that live in compost right here at our school. I brought my witch hands to help me with my lesson today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our compost, and then we're going to see what grows in our compost. So I brought a couple of things from my house that I like to put into the compost. I put banana peels, apple cores, egg shells, yucky mushrooms, orange peels, the tops of carrots that no one eats. Maybe you should eat them. The tops of strawberries, some yucky spinach. When I say yucky, I don't mean spinach is yucky. I mean the spinach has gotten yucky. The seeds and the stem of a pepper, the outside of an old tomato, and the coffee ground and the coffee filter that we make the coffee in. So I'm putting all that in our compost, and then I'm also adding lots of leaves. Imagine if you were eating a bowl of cereal and you put in way too much milk and not enough cereal. The same goes with compost. If you only put all the food scraps in there, it's gonna be all soggy. It's not gonna be good for the bugs. So that's why we put in leaves, to make it a little less soggy. So I put our veggies, I put our fruit, and I put our leaves, and now I'm gonna stir it. I'm stirring up our delicious compost full of rotten plants, rotten leaves, and lots of bugs. This seems like an amazing witch's brew, doesn't it? I don't have any eye of newt or toe of frog. I do have lots of vegetable scraps, kitchen scraps, leaves, and rainwater. All right, that's a nice juicy mix. Now I'm gonna pull some of this out and we can look and see what bugs are in there. Why don't we go over to the Hudson house? I'll see you there. Garden fact, did you know that compost is made by adding leaves, kitchen and vegetable scraps, microorganisms, insects, water, and air together? When you combine these things, the microorganisms and insects eat the leaves and scraps. The waste they produce is called compost, and it is full of nutrients to help plants grow. Okay, I got some compost over here. I picked out some of the nice broken down stuff. I'm gonna look around in here and see what I can find. Right off the bat, I found a worm. What else? Oh, here is a little roly-poly. There's another worm. And another worm. This means our compost is really healthy. These guys are doing a great job of eating all the dead material and turning it into soil. Garden fact, did you know in 1 acre of land, there's over 1 million earthworms? That means that Linwood Holton Elementary has over 13 million earthworms. Here's a spider. Yay, worms. A pill bug and an earthworm. Ooh, the pill bugs. They're so fast. Earthworm. I wonder how many things are in here that I can't even see. Maybe some bacteria, some fungus, some larvae. This is an amazing whole ecosystem that's hard for us to even imagine is going on right underneath our feet. Okay guys, thanks for coming and looking through the compost with me. Look at all these worms that we found. It means our soil is so healthy and we're doing such a great job of putting the right things into our compost, like all of our kitchen waste, our cafeteria waste, and our leaves. I'm gonna make sure these guys go back into the compost, so don't you worry. So my thought is, what if you went outside to the park, the playground, maybe even your yard, and you looked to see if you could find some decomposers like the earthworms or the roly-polies. You could just use your fingers like me and get your hands nice and dirty and look and see what you can find. There's so much happening beneath our feet. I miss all of you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy Halloween.